ay kung paano gamitin ang T9 ng inyong mga mobile units. Kaya nakakapagod yun.
Department of Education, Commission on Higher Education, Panasonic, and Nokia in cooperation with T9 Text Input. Text right, T9 it.
Good morning, mga texters! Alright, if last week we filled you in on how important it is to text using proper spelling, proper grammar, ngayon naman we're gonna teach you some techniques to make your texting life a little bit simpler. As you know, dito sa mga phones natin, may dictionary mode that you can use to type a word and have it spelled correctly without multi-tapping. And how do you do it? We're gonna show you how. Okay, take your phone at go to menu. Ayan. Punta kayo sa messages, like so. Go to create message. Tapos text message. Tapos punta kayo dito sa mismong message body. Hit options. Tapos scroll down until you find the words prediction on. So prediction on, click OK. Select. And if you have the actual pencil icon, you can actually use that din. Tapos hit dictionary on. So ayun, now you can go type. Oh, diba? Hello. Oh, ayan. As easy as that. Did you see that? Correct spelling, left tapping. Oh, diba? So simple, no? So stay tuned because we also have some more news and tips on how to use T9 texting. Alright, so next, we have some more features, we have some more balita, so watch this.
Department of Education, Commission on Higher Education, Panasonic, and Nokia in cooperation with T9 Text Input. Text right, T9 it.